My name is Rejoice Paladi and I live in South Africa. So for me, Nelson Mandela Day is a day that reminds me of giving to the poor. On Nelson Mandela Days, we do 67 acts, good acts towards the less privileged. So it's a time that we reflect on giving to the poor because it was inspired by the great legend Nelson Mandela.
Dumelang Thobela. Hello guys, my name is Chumfatso Moshokwa and I'm from South Africa, schooling here at Texila American University. I'd like to read something for the Mandela Day. Tata Madiba, our beloved father, a true son of soil. Mandela's heart beats with Ubuntu. His courageous spirit and selfless leadership freed us from apartheid shackles. Forever in our hearts, his legacy shines bright like the sunny Soweto day. Hamba Gatle Madiba, your wisdom and love will never fade.
Mandela Day is a very special day for the people out there in Africa because Mandela himself believed in spreading love and joy to everybody out there. He never considered anybody to be an alien, but he considered them to be everybody, all be human beings. So us the people who are currently there are supposed to spread love just the way Mandela did it back then.
Mandela Day represents love and unity for Africa. He also advocated for strength because of his struggle. He's told everybody to say you have to be strong and fight for what's right. And he also fought for freedom, not only for his country, but for the whole Africa.
For me, I think we should remember Mandela. You can remember him and give tribute to him by remembering the things he did for us, following his principles, his rules, the teachings, and also the way he fought, the struggles he went through to get the independence and fight for human rights. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Rabedani and I'm from South Africa, and today is Nelson Mandela Day. So we all know that Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela fought against the racist apartheid system back in South Africa and fought for the equality and freedom for us South Africans. So yay, happy Mandela Day. Yeah.
Good day everyone, my name is Tumiso James. I'm from South Africa. Today is Mandela Day. Coincidentally, it's also my birthday. I'm quite privileged to share a day with a legend like Nelson Mandela. The guy who, honestly, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. He fought for our freedom against the apartheid system. Spent 27 years, I think. 27 years on Robben Island. Yeah. Rolihlahla Mandela is something else.
On this day, I encourage everyone to spend 67 minutes of their time doing something good that Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela would have done.
Happy Nelson Mandela Day, everyone!